Hey guys, welcome back. Long story short, I left the Ola scooter untouched for almost 30 days. I was busy in a road trip and I see the Ola scooter is dead right now. I did almost everything possible, like opening up the side stand, trying to reset it multiple times. Nothing helped. I'll just quickly rewind back and tell you what exactly happened before I left. I knew I was going for a long trip, so I made sure to clean the scooter and left the scooter at 100% charge. This was on 26th of April, just before I left for the long trip. Now let's jump back to 23rd May, that is 27 days since I left. As soon as I came back, the same day night, I came down to check the battery percentage. I was shocked to see that I had 97% of battery percentage left in my scooter. I was very happy with just 3% of battery drop in 27 days. Confident enough that I didn't have to plug in the charger to the scooter right now. Looking at the percentage, I just covered it and left for next 3 days. Now on 26th May, I came down, I wanted to take the scooter out for a spin and it was not starting. I was trying this since the morning. I tried everything possible and it was not starting at all. I tried to open up the side stand, thinking the sensor would activate or probably move it little front or back, but nothing helped. At this time, my Ola scooter's charger is inside my trunk and I cannot access it unless and until my touchscreen is awake. Luckily, I found Bhargav. He owns an Ola scooter. I found him riding his scooter nearby my house and I requested him and I told him the situation. He was kind enough to come home, get his charger and the scooter. Here we used his charger to power up my scooter and see if the scooter would respond and start. Unfortunately, my scooter was not taking charge. క్లియర్గా ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది కదా ఛార్జింగ్ 96 సేమ్ దానికి పెట్టండి
దేనికి
దానికి ఇదే వైర్
అరే వర్ధన్ బండి కొద్దిగా చెప్పరా లేపట్టు జస్ట్ లేపట్టు
తీసుకోవట్లేదు ఛార్జింగ్. There was no docking sound nor the scooter getting charged. Nothing was happening here.
అరే మన బండి లోపలికి ఇచ్చి ఒకసారి ఛార్జ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి చూద్దాం. నేను ఇందాక ఛార్జ్ పెట్టా, మళ్ళీ రేపు మార్నింగ్ బయటికి వెళ్ళేది ఉంది, దాంట్లో 50 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉంది.
So as soon as I plugged in the charger, the fan didn't turn on, nor the light on the charger turned on. This was a clear indication that the scooter was not accepting charge from the charger. Hopefully there is some battery disconnect issue in the scooter. Not sure what is happening right now. What if this was my primary vehicle in my house? I would really suffer. It's been 4 days since I raised a complaint with Ola. No one has called me nor tried to contact me about this issue. I'm just waiting for them to reach out to me and get this solved for me. Special thanks to Bhargav for coming in and helping with the charger. This actually helped us remove the probability that the scooter is out of charge. I'm really disappointed with Ola right now. Let's see how long they take.